Imagine a time before time. No oceans, no land, no sky. Just an endless void. Cold, dark and silent. No earth, no moon, no sun. And yet, from this vast emptiness, something extraordinary happened. A spark, a beginning. From the chaos, our planet, our only home, was born. But how did this miracle of existence even begin? Stay with us as we trace the breathtaking story of how Earth came to be. From cosmic dust to the cradle of life. Around 13.8 billion years ago, the universe erupted into being with the Big Bang. From that explosive beginning, stars were born and died, exploding in magnificent supernovae that scattered the elements of life, carbon, iron, silicon, across the cosmos. Amid the stardust, a dense cloud of gas and dust began to swirl in a distant corner of our galaxy. Roughly 4.6 billion years ago, gravity took hold. The cloud collapsed, spun faster, and grew hotter, until its heart ignited. A star was born, our sun. The birth of the sun didn't just bring light to the darkness, it triggered the formation of everything else. Leftover gas and dust began clumping together, pulled by gravity into small rocky bodies known as planetesimals. With time and countless collisions, they merged and grew, giving rise to the planets. One of them was Earth. But early Earth was no paradise. It was a molten world, a violent, volcanic inferno, shaped by chaos and fire. Earth's surface churned with rivers of lava, its skies thick with poisonous gases. Collisions with massive asteroids kept the planet in a constant state of upheaval. But beneath the surface, something incredible was happening. Heavy elements like iron and nickel sank to the center, forming Earth's core. Lighter materials floated upward, building the mantle and crust. This internal transformation didn't just shape the planet, it protected it. The spinning iron core gave birth to a powerful magnetic field, the magnetosphere. It shields us from deadly solar winds to this day. Without it, Earth might have shared the fate of Mars, dry, dead, and silent. Yet Earth's trials were far from over. Around 4.5 billion years ago, a planet-sized body, Theia, slammed into Earth in a cosmic collision of unimaginable scale. The impact tilted Earth's axis, gave us seasons, and flung debris into space. That debris eventually formed our moon. At first, the moon loomed enormous in our sky, 15 times larger than it appears today. Its gravity stirred Earth's oceans, creating massive tides and mixing vital nutrients, an invisible hand nurturing the conditions for life. But life can't begin without one thing: water. And early Earth was far too hot to hold it. So, where did our water come from? The answer may lie in the stars. Comets and water-rich asteroids, icy messengers from the outer solar system, bombarded Earth for millions of years. Thanks to Jupiter's mighty gravitational pull, many of these space rocks were flung inward, delivering water to Earth. In 2005, NASA's Deep Impact mission confirmed that comets carry frozen water, supporting the idea that they helped fill our oceans. Zircon crystals in ancient rocks suggest that liquid water existed here as early as 4.3 billion years ago. With water, a stable climate, and the shield of the magnetosphere, Earth was ready for the next step. But one thing was still missing: oxygen. The early atmosphere was toxic, filled with methane, ammonia, and other noxious gases. Then, around 2.4 billion years ago, came the cyanobacteria, tiny, ancient microorganisms that performed a miracle: photosynthesis. They breathed out oxygen, and in doing so, transformed the atmosphere forever. This event, known as the Great Oxidation, paved the way for complex life. Let's take a moment to reflect. Earth was forged from the remnants of ancient stars. Our sun ignited first, then rocky planets took shape. A violent collision gave us the moon and the seasons. Comets seeded our world with water. A molten core created a magnetic field that keeps us safe. And life began, slowly, thanks to microscopic beings that filled our air with oxygen. From stardust to sentience, Earth's journey is nothing short of miraculous. But this is just the beginning. In our next chapter, we'll explore how life itself began and whether it could rise elsewhere in the universe. What do you think is the most incredible part of Earth's origin? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this journey inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. And remember, every atom in your body was once part of a star.